Hello, my name is Joseph. I work at Kendall Subaru in Eugene. Today, I want to show you how to install the towing hook on your 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. It's not a tow hitch to tow a trailer, it's one for recovering other vehicles or having your vehicle be recovered. So the first thing we need to do is locate the towing pin. We'll open the back of the vehicle. So we'll lift up the rear storage compartment and then we'll find the towing hook as well as a screwdriver, which we will change the screwdriver from a Phillips to a flathead just by switching it around. And then we will take the screwdriver covered with cloth to prevent scratches and insert the flathead screwdriver into a small indent into the recovery point. And then a little bit of pressure is going to allow it to pop open, and we'll see that there's an easily mountable surface there for this towing hook. And then we'll screw the towing hook in by hand, tighten it until it doesn't move anymore, and then we are ready for a towing strap. There are 4 recovery points on a Crosstrek Wilderness. There's 2 on the rear bumper and 2 on the front, right next to the standard fog lights. For more information, feel free to subscribe or come down to our showroom floor on Goodpasture Island Road and ask for me, Joseph, or check out our website at kendallsubaruonline.com. Kendall, let's start something great.